talk about when it comes to the action that has been taken in about 24 hours, because the center has taken this sweeping overhaul of the NTA, which is the National Testing Agency, as part of its broader examination reform push. Now, in this major reset, the NTA, which has launched a recruitment drive for senior leadership and young professionals, introducing roles in assessment, operations, cybersecurity and vigilance. And not just that, at least 47 people have been sacked on account of negligence during the NEET paper leak controversy. So let's connect with Kritika on this. Kritika, we are talking about several actions that has been taken within the NTA. Of course, NTA being in the eye of the storm ever since the paper leak had happened. But re-examinations happened, examination results that are now out, and from within the overhaul that was much needed within the NTA is also now something which is being sought.
Well, absolutely. We've heard of how 47 employees of the NTA, which includes, of course, the permanent as well as contractual employees, have been terminated yesterday. The government is also stating that legal and criminal action against some will also be initiated. Now, this move is coming in after the Education Secretary, Mr. Vineet Joshi, was transferred to the Panchayati Raj Department as well. So he has been removed from the ministry as a manner of fixing accountability is also concerned. However, is this enough for the students is again something which remains to be seen, because remember, the students, the protesters and the Cockroach Janata Party, which is spearheading the protests currently taking place at Jantar Mantar, remain steadfast in the demand for the non-negotiable resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Will it, of course, end after this demand as well is also something which is now becoming a matter of question. Just to give you some context, as well as of early this morning, you'll be able to see how in the Jantar Mantar area, even outside, there appears to be, in fact, a lot of footfall. So the protest continues unabated. Of course, the Center has stated that they have given in principle approval to two of the demands of the students as well as that of the Cockroach Janata Party, which just to ensure suitable compensation as well as to not pursue charges against peaceful protesters. However, the core demand remains unaddressed. There is going to be a meeting this evening as well between the representatives and the center, and if there is going to be a positive messaging, only then can we expect the crowd to in fact de-escalate. Otherwise, what we are seeing is an increased footfall. Again, remember, despite the closure of 18 metro stations in and around Jantar Mantar, Parliament and Central Delhi. Over to you.
All right. So that is owing to the security situation there that we are looking at another day where several of the metro stations have remained shut as far as the exit and the entry gates are concerned, but interchange facilities are still available at these important junctions. In the meantime, let's talk about the overhaul that Kritika has been also talking about. So this overall plan that has now been put in focus. First up, we are looking at least 47 of the National Testing Agency officials that have been removed from their positions. They have now been sacked. We are now looking at another overhaul is this recruitment drive that is now being carried out, especially for the youth. So as far as this seems to be the roles there for 4 GMs and also 16 young professionals there. And this is what they are now seeking, especially when it comes to their role of assessment of the operations. Then there needs to be cyber security as well. Vigilance is also something that they are now looking at. And this seems to be the assessment that may happen in AI-based testing and also in psychometrics and something, and operations that would be overseeing the test centers. And also when it comes to cyber security, well, that would be serving as the Chief Information Security Officer, and the Vigilance GM would also be probing the examination fraud and would be coordinating with the central agencies. So 16 professionals are likely to be hired by UPSC, and of course when it comes to a 2-year tenure, and that could be extended up to 3 years based on the performance